Dodgy human exterminating camping light, now with fire risk. Stop. The test procedures in this video involve testing voltages and current at mains level, 240 volts AC for the UK. Do not replicate the test shown if you have no understanding of the dangers of electricity and how to avoid the risk of a potentially fatal electric shock. The item featured is also potentially dangerous as it has parts referenced to the mains due to the use of improper internal charging circuitry.
Hello and welcome to Paul McGee Electronics. I'm Paul, and one of the death traps to go into the Museum of Electronic and Electrical Death Traps has arrived. Oh, we hope it's a death trap still anyway, because that depends if they've changed it much. A couple of years ago, that's one side. A couple of years ago, Clive from bigclivedotcom featured a camping lantern. Like this, actually. A telescoping camping lantern, which if I can figure out how you do this again. Which has that, and a solar panel. And a mains input charge. Like so. Now, the one he featured, unfortunately, had a bit of a nasty flaw to it. Yes, it was a capacitive dropper charging batteries. Yeah, not good. Now in this one, it's no different at all. Have you ever learned China? That's not exactly safe, is it? No. No. Right, I'll show you the problems with that. Okay, I've brought the meter in and I've also brought the death adapter in from the museum, so I can get a reference to the neutral side, which is reference to ground anyway, not actually direct to ground because I'll just trip the breaker, and you know, if you know anything about electrical wiring, you know that's not a really good idea. So gingerly touch that, even though the power is off. So I'm just going to go turn on and then gingerly bring up the other end of the, there we go. But I'm still being gingerly despite the fact the power's off. Okay, probably best to practice. Power on. My trusty Unity UT58C multimeter. So I'm going to shove the black end into, right, we'll shove the red end onto there, and the black end, oh Christ, already showing AC 20 volts. Yeah, you see that? 234 volts AC. That's referenced to, yeah, that's referenced to the mains. Yeah, that's not a pleasant experience. They've not learnt. How many kind of current is that passing, I wonder? Ooh, I have to think. Yeah. Well, there's one way to find out how much current that's passing. I will set that up right now. Okay, now time for the light bulb test. Now, you'll see on the desk I've got the meter in AC amps and a light bulb. I've just checked this and it ain't pretty. And he says gingerly holding a potentially live red wire. Ooh. Now this did light up when I tested it. So yeah. There we go. Ooh. 250 milliamp. Yeah, that's not going to lead to a pleasant experience. And this thing, like Clive's quote-unquote death Dalek camping lights, could potentially exterminate you. And yeah. So, let's see, what could we do? Well, first of all, turn the power off. We've done the light bulb test. Get rid of the death adapter, that's going back in the museum. With our little Dalek-y friend. The other thing I've got to note, this top bit's really hot. And batteries have fallen off and hit the circuit board. Ooh, youch. And the wires have all started melting. Would you look at that? That's what you get. Yeah, those batteries don't smell happy. Yeah, you can see that. And that's only from me doing small tests and running a USB connection with the mains plugged in to test it. Still probably works as a lantern. And yeah, one other thing I didn't test because ow, that's hot. Because I'm not going to test it now. Is this little metal bezel here for the button? That's potentially live as well. You can test that. Put my leads back to the right position, or Big Clive will tell me off. Oh dear. And I'm tempted to take them batteries out of circuit actually. And let's see. How am I going to do this? Because I've got to hold the lantern. So I'm pretty sure this was live on Big Clive's. It's just gone out of shot there, but the meter is what we're looking at here. How am I going to do this without burning my fingers off? And God, some of that wire really has melted. Let me show you that. Yeah, they've changed, by the looks of it, changed it to plastic. Interesting. And yeah. So this thing can exterminate humans by either electrocuting them or burning the house down, apparently. I've only had it like literally a few minutes and this is what's happened. All the wires inside have melted. And you know, the solar panels should still work. But, you know, I don't think so. I've got a radio on in the background, I'll knock that off. So, only had that on for the timekeeping. Because I'm going to work soon, because I've been called in early. But, you know. So, Death Dalek camping lights, as Big Clive calls them. They're still deadly, and they'll still exterminate humans. Except now I think they've got much worse. Ooh. Ew. Don't want to sniff in there too long, it really smells bad. I'm tempted to take those batteries out of circuit before they catch on fire. Yeah. Yeah, because these wires really have gone and melted. It's the mains one and the USB one both seem to have melted. So I don't think those wires are rated for the current that they were passing. And there wasn't even a lot of current. And this beastie, it's rated adequately for the voltage. So, yeah, capacitor's rated adequately for the voltage. Yeah. This could potentially result in death by either burning your house down or, you know. They've tried to make an effort by clipping the batteries in, but these batteries did not stay clipped in. They just dropped out and, yeah, landed on the electronics and shorted themselves out. As well as the rest of the inside catching on fire, so I don't think this is safe. I'll put the lid back on. The batteries are still working, surprisingly enough. Yeah. Okay, I'll get the lid back on. Well. There we go. Now the lid is back on our Death Dalek. There's one thing I won't be doing. Powering this bad boy from the mains. Yeah. Perfect addition to the Museum of Electrical and Electronic Death Traps. Hey. Whew. And this plug. Yeah. You don't want to be plugging that into a UK socket or this wire, which I'm thinking is not double insulated. Because, yeah. The UK ring mains are capable of delivering 30 odd amps. And if something goes badly, even worse than what went wrong here, something is likely to go bang. And that extension lead I was using is only protected with a 13 amp fuse. And 13 amps would not be enough. It's grossly overrated. Whereas this is underrated for what you're plugging it into. So, check out Big Clive's channel on these lanterns, which he refers to as the Death Dalek ones. This one probably will be staying in the museum for all eternity. It won't be invited to a Big Clive's Death Dalek underwear party. If you've seen Big Clive's videos on these, you'll understand what I mean. But if not, check them out. They're actually kind of funny. But they still pass a serious message, and these things have not changed. So, you know, So, solar panel, yeah, we'll use that to charge it. Batteries, no. USB port, questionable. It looks a bit bent as well. So, yeah. This is Paul for Paul McGee Electronics, signing off with our little exterminating friend here. We're going to go to the museum, and he's not going to be exterminating anyone anymore. Bye for now.
Don't forget to subscribe to Paul McGee Electronics and ring the bell if you'd like to be notified about new videos as I upload them. Until the next one.